Right, welcome back. Just thought I'd show you this slight repaint and touch up on this figure. A lot of people have slated this figure and saying it looks more like a comic book version, and you might be right if you think that, but it's an old figure, and you know, if you've got the new one, obviously you're gonna prefer that one, even with the limited articulation. But yeah, I can see that it's got a better paint job. So I've touched up the paint on this one because if you look back at my old videos, you might see that I've got two of these, and this one I bought damaged. It had lots of paint wear around the ribs. It was back to the black rubber, so you might be able to tell the difference, probably not with this light, but on the shoulders you've got the original colour, and then you got, where I've repainted it, these there's the original, and then you've got the different touch-ups that I did. It's not too noticeable, but if you're looking for it, you will see it in hand. And I might go over it with a sandstone colour, which I did have on it originally, but I didn't like the look of it. Now I think I mixed it up with a bit of brown. I think it's a bit too dark now. It's hard to give a true look. There you might be able to see the difference. On the shoulders it's more sandstone colour, and on the ribs it's more brown, darker brown. But it's all good. I say they're very fragile figures, but at least they can articulate to some extent until the legs fall off and the arms fall off. But this one I've got pretty sorted now. This needs a little bit dodgy still. Might have to get some resin, 2-part epoxy resin or something, fix it a bit more securely, but it's okay for now. Use the trick with the super glue on the shoulder just to build up the socket. Hot glue does work as well, but over time it just becomes less effective. Now I've glossed it all up, and it looks pretty damn nice. The inner tongue does work still, but I don't think I should really chance it. You can see these tendons are, you can see starting to split there, so I'm not gonna take any chances. But even with the new ones, they've got their issues. It's like up here they've used like rubber. Some of the paintwork was deteriorating there, so I've touched that up. This is rubber, this is rubber, all this is rubber sculpted here. This is hard plastic, the whole dome is. The arms are, except the elbows here, are rubber. Did come with a pair of rubber hands as well, but I don't really like those, so I used the sculpted ones. The whole torso is rubber, down to his bits. Legs are solid. The tail is rubber and posable. The knees, rubber again, really fragile joints there. And the feet are half and half, they're like rubber on top of solid plastic. But yeah, it's a really nice figure still. I'm glad I fixed it up. It'll probably fall over. yeah, not entirely happy with it, but it's a hell of a lot better than it looked like before. But now it's just finding room for it. So I'll do a collection video soon. Probably have a cabinet full of aliens and Geiger and all sorts. Kane from Alien, I want to get him out of storage, so might have two detolfs full of aliens. But it's what got me into collecting, and it's what I love. Still love looking at these things. So I probably won't ever sell the aliens. Maybe the Marines, I'm not sure. I've got a feeling Hot Toys are going to do 2.0 versions on those soon. As soon as Ripley comes out, if she ever comes out, then I think we're going to see at least Hicks and Hudson. Be cool to see Vasquez and Drake, Apon maybe. I can't remember the rest of them off the top of my head. Spunkmeyer. I don't think we'll get a Spunkmeyer figure, but you never know. With Hot Toys, they like milking shit, so if it does well, if Ripley does well, I think it'll happen. I've got faith. Anyway, I'll stop talking shit, and thanks for watching. Take it easy.